e good for country wey be say e get law. You see why we Nigerians we dey go prison easily for abroad be say dem no train us with law. The country wey dem fit born us, wey we fit grow, dem nothing wey dem dey call law for that country. So that's why we no get that mentality for our head say if we do this thing is against the law. So na make am now 5 Nigerians was sentenced to 140 years imprisonment in Torino, Italy. Na see when they talk say make they work according to law. They will say no, they won't do it. My papa know this person, my mama know this person. If I do anything, my papa will bribe, my mama will settle, they will pass on that ground, I will be free. Now let my country Nigeria, now I just see that kind of thing when they take place. I can imagine 100, that is 140, that one a life imprisonment. So stay tuned. Hello my terrible people, hello everyone, it's your one and holy baby girl Maria Omo Family TV. If you know you have not subscribed to this channel, please kindly do. So as you subscribe, guys, turn on that bell icon that will always notify you of my new upload. So to my old subscribers, may God bless you. To my returning subscribers, may God bless you. Those that always come back to watch my video, may God in heaven bless you all. Big kisses to my lover, my supporter, viewers all over there. Okay, my adorable people, today's video now about Nigerians in Torino. Now we want to talk about today, my people. You see, when we go to talk, say good name better pass anything for this life. We go to talk, say, what did that person over they talk say? So we over they drop one kind comment for you for your comment section. I can imagine 140 years imprisonment. That one a life imprisonment. That one a life imprisonment. And somebody when be say he don't go through those kind of experience. At the end, they can't find out say he na innocent of everything when they accuse her for. Now he can't break this news to us. And nobody be know before. That's why me I dey talk. If it be say where you they come from, law no they say if you do anything because say your papa no person, your mama no person, they will bring you come out. Western world not be like that. If you like me, your papa know everybody for this Western world where we dey. Law and law, nobody is above the law for Western world. You must go for it. Now so when be, now so Europe law take place. So if you be say you fit be backbone for Nigeria, as you come abroad, you will focus on wetin carry you come. Because if you be say you want to continue that your backbone, trust me, if they come for you, it will hurt. And you see all those our brothers when be say one or two things they can see escape prison for house, they can't escape death, they can't escape many things. And they're supposed to call you, those kind of people are supposed to work for God. They're supposed to give their life to God. Say, at last I survived everything when I do. But they'll still call this Western world when we did. They'll still continue that attitude. Now, waiting they lead to all this kind of prison. Now be down. Because Oyibo, they call those kind of people, then they call them mafioso. Now, what Italy they call them mafioso. Now, mafia they call them. I don't know why person go come up for a papa land and mama land say you want find daily bread. At the end, you will see they do all this area. Hey, yo, me, who you be? You know where I be? No, it's high time we stop it. It's high time we stop it. And you know, say we not get what they talk for us. We be the voiceless. Anything will be say they happen to Nigeria citizen. Nobody will come out go say no, Nigeria not do this thing, and we will take this thing to the next level. Nobody. No anybody will get power when will come help us. So it's supposed maybe they saw our court according to our material. My people, that's why I come out and I can't read this news for now. Say, see what our Nigeria when they Torino, see what they face. And if you be say you get those kind of intention to involve yourself, all those kind of things, I beg quit. Pity the time when your mama take put you for belly. That 9 months, Charlie, no be joke. No be joke, Before you come enter the room, pray, say, God, make I come out successfully. Before you come get sleepless night, nurse you come grow. Then you come grow up, you come become nuisance. How you say, make your mama feel? It's I beg. I use God begging. And all this our Nigeria authority when be say they bring this news come out for us. As una talk and so, make una let am be so. Not be say for talking sake, because una know how to carry una self for when una never read. Una know how to make fake promises. At the end, una go leave us, make we dey suffer. As una talk am so, say Nigerians in diaspora, see wetin una want, abeg una let am be so. The whole West Africa now, we Nigeria na come suffer pass for diaspora. Because why? Our leader, they not care about us. They not care about us. And una remember, say how we say house good for us, we not go comot come dey suffer for abroad. Okay, my people may not be say I don't do the talk. So I will upload the video along these brokers. More than listing. Even the victim himself now come out for radio television. Come they talk wetin our Nigeria they pass through. Say many na innocent for the matter. Yes, I agree with that one. I agree because why we be the voiceless. And why? Because the bad Nigerians, the newsers one, they make the innocent ones they suffer. Yes, because anywhere when we reach, we know they work according to the law. We always, because they don't train us with law. Our country, Nigeria, don't get law. Now, wait till they affect us for Nigeria, now it be that one. Now it be that one. My people may not be say I don't do the talk. So I'm try watch till the end. Okay, I'm not sleep, I'm see what our Nigeria they face. And if you be say you never subscribe, I beg kindly do. As you do, turn that bell icon that will always update you of my new upload. As you do so, may God bless you. And I will not
Thank you so much for all your prayers during my time of incarceration. I felt God, I saw God, and I knew you people were praying for me. I want to say thank you. We have over 300 Nigerian youths. I met some of them. I have the list of all of them. And I'm in contact with some of their wives. And I made a promise to them that they will not be forgotten. They don't have a voice. They're not privileged and lucky as I am to have the kind of support that I got. But I made a promise to them that they will not be forgotten. And I have started a campaign against the Italian justice system. We are going to lead a campaign, we're going to lead the crusade, we are going to make protest in front of the Italian embassy within the next 4 weeks. Because I can tell you that on the 20th of September, 20 Nigerians were jailed for 140 years. And the appeal is coming up on the 20th of September. Go and Google this thing. If you Google Torino Chronicle, page 8, so on September 26th, you will see that 20 Nigerians were sentenced to 140 years for a mafia-related crime without any single proof of evidence. The Italian justice system is very complex and corrupt. They are manipulating the justice system because nobody cares about Nigeria. No government cares about us. The Minister of Foreign Affairs, Geoffrey Oyema, need to sit tight. The ambassadors need to sit tight so that we can know we are from a... We're compelled to do the short trial by the prosecutor. He provides, of course, government lawyers for them. And ask them to do the short trial and convict them. But I decided to do the long trial, where the prosecutor was compelled to bring the evidence that he has against me, or even against the Nigerian Association, only for him to produce a forged manual that he called the Green Bible, which they have used to convict a lot of Nigerians, over 200 Nigerians in Italy, on the 24th of November, 2020. And we went, myself and the lawyers went through the Green Bible and found a lot of discrepancies and errors in the Green Bible. For example, page 14 of that so-called Green Bible, paragraph 3 stated that we, the criminal organizations involved in A to Z, were there. And I told the judge that I've never seen an organization that will write in a manual that they are a criminal organization. On page 31, 32, 33 of that so-called Green Bible, we have a 2017 event of a communique of the Green Circuit Association in Asaba in that book. While on page 51 of that so-called Green Bible, it said this book was written in 1978 by University of Benin students. And I said, how can we have a communique of 2017 event inside a book that was written in 1978? So it was very clear that the prosecutor was manipulating the justice system against us. And it became very clear to me, too, that I was a victim of racial discrimination and manipulation of the Italian justice system by a very corrupt prosecutor, Dr. Stefano Castellani. And when we spoke to other Nigerians that were brought there, the same book, the same format, the same process papers were the same papers, the papers were the same. You only just remove your name and remove the other things that said it's Nigeria Mafia Association. I don't know of any mafia association in Nigeria. I don't belong to any mafia organization, and all those crimes are not proven. So we did all that. While I was there, on the 28th of October, 70 Nigerians were arrested for the same mafia-related offenses, and the only thing they showed on television was a kitchen knife as a proof of evidence. Meanwhile, they still use these 416Bs, Article 416Bs of the Italian Mafia Criminal Code. On the 26th of September, while I was still in prison, 20 Nigerians were convicted and sentenced to 140 years in prison. They were convicted with this same forged Green Bible. I have a copy of it. This same forged Green Bible was what they used. And if you go to Reno Chronicle on September 26, 2020, page 8, you will see there clearly that 20 Nigerians sentenced to 140 years. The appeal is coming up on the 20th of September this month, after 2 years in prison, maximum security in Italy. The 70 Nigerians that were arrested, their trial is starting on the 17th of September this month as well. I'm aware because I kept interacting with them, know about the case before I was released on the 29th of May. It cost me a lot of money to fight, to get a good lawyer. It cost us a lot of stress. My parents, my aged parents, my wife, my friends, my children, a lot of pains and stress. The only reason I'm here today is because God stood by me, and I have good friends and family that supported me to raise the money to pay for the lawyers, and were praying for me and got the evidence and proof to fight my case as well. It's clear to me that the European Union paid Italian authorities for fighting mafia. So they are capitalizing on that and putting Nigerians in prison and calling them the so-called Nigerian mafia. I'm very disappointed that I did not get the support I expected from the Nigerian government, because the governor of Edo State, His Excellency Governor Godwin Enogase Obaseki, who was my boss at that time, called the Minister of Foreign Affairs to notify him of my arrest. And a senior government official like myself